Are you struggling to find a consistent source of quality inbound leads for your business? Have you tried your hand at online marketing only to end up with a much lighter wallet? Or are you tired of fighting over leads that are also shared with a handful of your competitors? Introducing Service Direct Marketplace, a better way to get new customers to grow your local service business. Whether you're a mechanic, auto body shop, towing service, auto glass professional, or any other automotive service business that needs your phone ringing with new potential customers, Marketplace drives exclusive inbound leads directly to your company, allowing you to focus on your business. Getting started is easy. Just tell us what types of leads you want and where you want them, as well as how much you'd be willing to pay for an exclusive inbound lead from a potential customer. We then go out and make sure anywhere a potential customer is looking for your services, they can easily connect with you at the exact moment that they need your help. But you only pay when they contact you directly. And with our MySD platform, we give you the transparency and control you need to effectively manage your account. You'll have real-time access into every lead delivered, allowing you to easily listen to calls, tag booked appointments, and add revenue from jobs you won. With Service Direct Marketplace, we make it easy to grow your business cost-effectively. So, are you ready to stop spinning your wheels online and start growing? Join our marketplace for free and start getting exclusive leads today.